Peace. Alright, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today is a 335i video. The 335i is still here. It's right here. It's not going anywhere, looking pretty as always. Actually looks super sick. If you guys don't notice, stock wheels are back on, and honestly, they look really, really good. Like, they look really good. It looks super, super sick still. It's here. It's not going anywhere. And today we're making a video on the 335. So recently I've had a few questions, actually a lot of questions, on people asking like what to do with going FBO on one of these things. Like, what are like the top 3 things you need to go like full bolt-ons? Like, do you need this? Do you need that? And I'm gonna tell you the 3 mods to get 100 horsepower out of the 335i. 3 simple, easy mods to do. So out of the factory, 335i's are pretty slow actually. They're not that fast. They're rated 300 horsepower, 300 torque, and in today's standards, it's not that fast. But with just a few simple mods, these things can be rocket ships. Trust me, I've had this thing stock and full bolt-ons on 85. They're rocket ships when they're tuned. Trust me on that. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do under the hood is a front mount intercooler. These things tend to run super hot. I have the 5.5 inch Burger Motorsports from my intercooler with no writing on it because I don't want to get like state ref. But yeah, definitely get a Burger Motorsports or VRSF or ARM, whatever brand you guys like. Get it upgraded from my intercooler. They don't run that, they're not that expensive. They're like 500 bucks, 400 bucks, something like that. I'll throw a picture of intercooler right here. That's a VRSF one. I definitely recommend them. They're super good. Definitely get a front intercooler. That's number 1. Now coming inside the engine bay, next thing you want to buy is a charge pipe. This is a Cobb charge pipe. Any charge pipe really works. Cobb, VRSF, any company really works. Just it's aluminum. These things tend to break under higher boost, which you will be running when you get your car tuned. So this is just a Cobb one. The other ones are plastic, and mine blew up after 1 pull being stage 1. So definitely get one of these. Even honestly, if you don't run a tune, definitely get one for like preventative maintenance in a way, a sense. Definitely get a charge pipe. I'll throw a picture right here of a VRSF one. That's a company I think is good, and Cobb, but there's a picture right there of a VRSF charge pipe. The third and final thing that is a must do to get 100 horsepower out of your 335i, the biggest thing you need to do is a downpipe. Mine is a VRSF downpipe. I think that's pretty much the only company. There's a few other companies that make them, but I definitely recommend VRSF. There's a picture on the screen right here of a VRSF downpipe. That is the number 1 thing you will need to gain horsepower out of this car. Without a tune, obviously you need a tune, but like bolt-on wise, a VRSF downpipe. Definitely get one of those. 100% recommend. They sound insane with a downpipe. Like, they're sick. You need a downpipe. So once you have the charge pipe, front intercooler, downpipe, can't show you that, it's under the car. Once you have those 3 things on there, you can get a tune. You can either go with like an OTS tune, a custom tune, whatever tune you guys want, MHD, whatever you guys want to do, just look into that. I have a lot of videos on that on the 335i in the previous videos I have. But next, when you get a tune, once you do that and you do your first pull in that with just those 3 simple mods, you'll be flying. Like, trust me, you're gonna love it. When I first did my MHD tune with just those 3 bolt-ons, I never went more than that. I had my charge pipe, my front intercooler, and my downpipe. That's all the mods I had. And from doing that to stock, this thing was insane. Like, my reaction was like retarded. Like, it was so insane. Like, I definitely recommend those 3 mods, and I hope that this answers a lot of you guys' questions. I've had a lot of DMs about this recently, like, especially recently, about like, oh, what do I need to do? Like, what do I need to do before full bolt-ons? Like, what do I need to do to get my car faster? That's it. Those 3 mods: charge pipe, downpipe, front intercooler, and then whatever tune you guys want to choose. Those 3 mods, I think it'd probably be around like $5 or about $1,000 to go 100 more horsepower one of these things, and it's gonna sound insane. They sound incredible with the downpipe, incredible. I also know there hasn't been a lot of 335i content on the channel. By the way, if you aren't subscribed, please go down there and the subscribe button. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. I'm like 540 away or something like that. Please go down there and hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But anyways, I know there has not been a lot of 335i content on the channel. That's soon to change. I was gonna, to be honest, I was gonna sell the car. I had 2 buyers. They both haven't hit me up. So I'm like, dude, like, you know what? Hold on. That's a big rig. But actually, let me shut my door. Move out of sight. But I do have big plans with this car. I really want to bring my E92 M3 and my 335i, both fully built, to Beamerfest 2021. That's the plan. I'm hoping to hit 5K subscribers by then, which I should. I'm on the road to do that. Also, I'm gonna be dropping merch very soon. Not really merch, but like, yeah, I don't want to say too much. I'll talk a little bit about that at the end of the video, but I don't want to talk about that too much. But anyways, guys, the 335i is staying. I got videos back to back with this car. Videos are coming. I got hella mods for the M3 also. I got mods for this. I'm sorry, it just, everything with COVID, like I've delayed everything. Like it's been really, really hard to make content because COVID's delayed everything, which sucks. As you guys probably know with your lives. But anyways, the 335i looks sick. Like I love this car to death. This is my day one. Like this thing started the channel. I'm not gonna sell it. Like it started the channel. I'm not gonna sell it, but that's what I recommend. And like if you do those 3 mods, this thing will gap an M3. It's an E92 M3 that is. Like gap. This thing will beat my M3, hands down. With those 3 mods and the tune. This isn't tuned right now. I detuned it just for like daily use right now. That's on a separate video. But yeah, this thing would gap an E92 M3. Very, very easy. Also, guys, leave in the comments below what you guys think of the stock wheels. They honestly look super, super good on this car. Like, look at that. You can't complain. This thing looks sick. God, I love this car. It looks better than my M3 right now because my M3 is like monster truck status. Soon to change. A video on that later. Bought coilovers for the car. They should be here soon by the end of the month. Hopefully, we'll see. But yeah, what do you guys think? Whew, it looks good right now. Damn. But speaking of that, new wheels for this car also coming soon. I have some really, they're not arcades, they're not even Apex wheels. It's gonna be pretty sick. I think you guys are gonna dig the wheels that are gonna be on this car. And as I was saying about merch, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you don't, my Instagram is right here on the screen. Go give me a follow. I actually just made my first logo for the channel. I'm gonna drop a picture right here. That's my logo if you guys see that. I love it. I think it's sick as heck. I also got like 45 stickers made, like decals, 3 inches by like 3 inches, like perfect for like your window. Like right here. It'd be like this, but like that or so. Stickers of that decal made. I'm gonna be giving them away, not in this video because I haven't received them yet, but when I get them, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway like on the first like 20 people that DM me Instagram or leave a comment. I'm gonna send out. And it'd be cool to like get you guys like take a picture of it like with you guys and send it to me. I'm gonna post it on the video. It's gonna be sick. We made our first logo, boys. We're trying to move up in the world. But yeah, that is the 335i. That is the update as of right now. I'm gonna be dropping a video of a full build plan with this car very, very soon. Because I know you guys are probably eager to see what's going to be up with this car. But it's here. It's not going anywhere. This is my day one baby. I appreciate it. I love it. I love it so much. I just keep rambling about it, but it looks so, so good. Put you guys up here for a second. But please leave in the comments what you guys think of the logo. I'll throw a picture again right here on the screen. Please let me know what you guys think of the logo. I think it's sweet. I know some people are going to be like, oh, you're going to get harassed from BMW because it kind of looks like a BMW logo in the middle. I know that it'll be changed a little bit, but this is like the first one. I'm still a super small YouTuber, so like this is the first one. What do you guys think? LOR, Life of Ricky. Like I said, I'm gonna be getting decals, giving them away. If you don't want to see Life of Ricky, you can just cut the bottom off. But yeah, I think they're sick. What do you guys think? But just like that, this video is over. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like button. 335i is back. I know there's been a lot of M3 content, but now we're going to be going back to 50-50 content with the 335 and the M3 because the 335i is the base of this channel and it's going to stay. But if you guys did enjoy, like I said, leave a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. And just like that, this video is over. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.